एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 9th क्लास की बुक फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन का सेकंड चैप्टर देखेंगे। चैप्टर नेम है हमारे पास एनर्जी एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? आंसर, न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर components of food. They perform one or more functions in the body. They include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. They provide energy, help growth, and protect the body from diseases. Question number 2. Name the nutrients and write their functions. Nutrients के नेम बताने हैं और उनके functions. Nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, mineral salts, vitamins, and water. Functions. Carbohydrates provide energy and heat. Second, proteins, growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Third, fats, protect organs, reduce friction, and maintain body shape. Fourth, minerals, help nutrient absorption and prevent blood loss. Fifth, vitamins, improve immunity and regulate body functions. Sixth, water, removes waste and maintain good health. Question number 3. What are carbohydrates? Name 10 carbohydrate-rich foods. Answer, carbohydrates are simple sugar compounds. They provide energy and heat. They are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sources: cereals, wheat, rice, pulses, jaggery, sugar, honey, sweet fruits, vegetables, dry fruits. Question number 4. Why are proteins called body-building foods? Write their sources. Answer, proteins build muscles, flesh, skin, and body tissues. They help in growth and repair. No other nutrient can replace this function. Sources: animals, meat, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt and cheese. And plant के sources है हमारे पास beans, pulses, chickpeas, peas, cereals. Question number 5. How many types of amino acids are there? Answer, there are 2 types. First, essential amino acid and second हमारे पास है non-essential amino acids. First, essential amino acids obtained from food cannot be made by the body. Number 8. Non-essential amino acids made by the body, not necessary to obtain from food. And non-essential amino acids के नंबर है हमारे पास 11 to 14. Difference between essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential में हमारे पास है cannot be made by the body and non-essential are made by the body. Essential must be obtained from the food and non-essential do not need to be obtained from the food. Essential amino acids required for protein formation and growth and non-essential amino acids produces naturally to meet the body's need. Essential amino acids के नंबर है हमारे पास 8 and non-essential amino acids के नंबर है हमारे पास 11 to 14. Question number 6. What are the effects of marasmus? Answer, effects of marasmus. Growth stops. Second, child becomes very thin. Third, severe weakness. Fourth, vomiting and diarrhea cause dehydration. Fifth, skin becomes dry and wrinkled. Sixth, body becomes stiff. Seventh, eyes look dull. Eighth, hair becomes rough and dry. Question number 7. Why are fats necessary? Answer. Fats are necessary because they first provides energy and heat. Second, delay hunger. Third, protects soft organs. Fourth, supply vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Fifth, help maintains body shape. Question number 8. Name the important mineral salts. Answer. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium, potassium. Question number 9. Why is milk necessary at every age? How much milk should children drink daily? Answer. Milk is a complete food. It contains protein, calcium, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat, minerals and water. It is easy to digest. Children should drink 3 to 4 glasses of milk daily. Question number 10. At what age does rickets occur? Answer. Rickets occur in children due to calcium and phosphorus deficiency. Legs become bent, chest becomes deformed, child cannot stand properly because of weak bones. Question number 11. What happens due to anemia blood deficiency? Answer. Skin becomes pale, dark circles appear around the eyes, weakness, tiredness and headache, shortness of breath, weight loss and dizziness. Question number 12. Why is iodine necessary for the body? Answer. Iodine is necessary because it first prevents goiter, second helps normal physical growth, third supports mental development, fourth prevents thyroid disorder. Question number 13. How many types of vitamins are there? Name them. Answer. Vitamins are organic compounds essential for growth, good health, and maintaining normal body functions. Type. There are two types of vitamins, water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. First, water-soluble vitamins. इसमें हमारे पास आती हैं विटामिन सी, विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स B1, B2, B6 and B12. Fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Question number 14. Write the general functions of vitamins. Answer. Functions of vitamins. Help in growth. Second, increase immunity. Third, keep body systems healthy. Fourth, help food becomes part of the body. Fifth, maintain good health. Question number 15. Which foods are rich in vitamin B complex? Answer. Vitamin B complex includes vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12. इसके sources हैं हमारे पास animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources liver, kidneys, meat, eggs, milk, and plant sources wheat, wheat bran, soybean, peanuts, sunflower seeds, peas, beans. That's it all. अगर आपके नोट्स चाहिए हो तो आप नीचे दिए गए ईमेल या फिर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर मैसेज करके ये नोट्स ले सकते हैं. बाय बाय.